For this mosaic heart design, you're going to need I Pink You, Clearly Frisky, Raspberry XOXO, Pink Freeze, Mulberry Star, Scandalous, Just Between Us, and Pampered Tulips. But you could use any colors you wanted. To begin, I'm going to apply I Pink You to the base. This is going to give us a gorgeous light pink base to have our mosaic heart pop from. I'm going to do a total cure. I have cut cure timeout. I'm going to apply another layer of I Pink You so we have a solid base color to work on. Once I've done that, I will do another complete cure. Next, we're going to create our heart. So I'm taking a medium striping brush from our creativity set, and I'm gonna go in with Just Between Us and create the heart. Now, as you'll note, I don't do it as one complete loop. I break it up, and this just helps make it more consistent when you're drawing. I also like to pick about the middle of where I want the heart to come down to, and then I have an area to aim for when I'm drawing the lines. This helps me stay on track and keep my heart even on either side. Now, if you aren't completely even, you can always go back and widen it out. We are going to fill in the inside of the heart with different colors, so it's not a big deal if the outline is really thick. You could, of course, wipe it off and start again if you aren't happy with the heart. Now, if you wanted and you weren't comfortable, you could flash cure at this point, but I was okay with just proceeding, and I'm gonna draw the tiles on the inside of the heart. This is just giving us a guideline for where we're gonna put our colors later, and I just randomly put them throughout. So whatever works for you, whatever design you're kind of looking for. And I don't worry about the line thickness either, because like I said, you are gonna go in and fill it with other colors. Once I've completed that, I'm just gonna do a quick flash cure for about 10 seconds. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start filling them in. So I just pick the colors randomly, and I kind of alternate between the darker colors and then a brighter color. So as you can see, I went with Just Between Us. Now I'm putting Scandalous in the next tile, followed by Pink Freeze. Raspberry XOXO. And really, it doesn't matter. Do what you feel looks great. This is Pampered Tulip that I'm going in with next. It's kind of hard to see the color definition on this video. And then Mulberry Star. Just trying to create contrast throughout. Decided I want a little more red, so I'm gonna put some more Scandalous in there. Just Between Us. Some more Pink Freeze. And then the last color I use will be Pampered Tulip. Now that I've done this, you're actually gonna do a complete cure to set that base color for your heart. Once that's done, you're gonna take Lovey Dovey. On my design, I actually used our stamping polish, but it hasn't been released yet, so I'm gonna show you with Lovey Dovey. You wanna make sure your brush is nice and wiped. And you're gonna go back and outline the heart and your color tile definition lines. This is what's gonna give it that mosaic look. Now, because Lovey Dovey is a little bit of a lighter polish, you may have to go in and do more than one layer after curing, just so that you can really get it to pop. I decided to do a quick flash cure just because I didn't want it to run. It is self-settling polish, so that is a risk. Flash curing just helps set everything in place, and it only takes a couple of seconds to do it. Like I said, I'm just going over the outline so that it's a little bit more dramatic with color. Gonna do a quick flash cure and just outline this top part of the heart. I wasn't quite happy. You could see a little bit of the just between us underneath, and I want the white to be really bright and bold. Once I've completed doing my touch-ups, you do a complete cure for this. Now I'm going to take Matter Effect Top Coat and do the complete nail in matte. Do a total cure. And lastly, I'm gonna go in with Clearly Frisky, and I'm just going to put my heart in Clearly Frisky so that it's nice and shiny and pops. It gives it more that stained glass tile mosaic look. And of course, once this heart is completely filled in, then I will do my last total cure and we will be completely done. And that's our final product. And here's a look at my overall mani. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.